welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and today we have a huge TEMU haul. I love TEMU so much. Honestly, like a lot of my stuff is from TEMU. I just got this gorgeous patio setup and like almost everything you see here is from TEMU. Like, love it so much. They have so many cute finds, such an affordable price, and they have amazing deals. So I will have a link in the description for you with everything that I show you today. I'm so excited. Let's just get right into it. Oh, I don't even know where to start. In honor of showing you fashionable items first, this is so cute. Oh, catch me in this all summer long. Like, so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna show you the home items like after I do the fashion. I got so many cute pairs of sunglasses. Let's try them on. Should take this off. It's so cute. These have been like super popular design lately. They were only a couple dollars and love, love, love. I'm like not gonna be able to decide which ones I want to wear. Whew. These are really cool. Ooh, okay, so they're like green tinted, which actually looks super cool. Adorable. What's your ranking out of 10? These versus these. Cute. Ooh, okay, wait, I like these. Actually, this is part of the home stuff, but I got this mirror. So cute. And look, it's like a picture frame. Vintage gold decor. I just love it, but it's right in front of me, so it's a perfect mirror right now. These are like so me. I like these the best so far. Last but not least, okay, cute design. I love this gold detail right here. Very cute. I do like the black because I feel like I don't have a lot of black sunglasses. I have like mainly brown. So cute. Definitely need these. 4 pairs of sunglasses. Probably spent less than $10 on those. And to go with that, I had to get a sunglasses organizer. Here is my brand new sunglasses organizer. Really excited about this because I have so many pairs of sunnies and like they look awful without an organizer, like just so bad. So as you can see, this organizer just makes everything look so much better, and my little accessories area is basically complete now. Okay, so I had to get a couple of barrettes. They're just at such an affordable price and like they have the cutest designs. I love claw clips. I wear them every single day. It is so cute. Look, the little hearts. I love that. Adorable. And then I got just one more. It's a really simple, but I think it's so pretty. Adorable. I love that. It's just so classy and pretty. As far as the clothes, I'm gonna put a little try on haul next to me so you can see what everything looks like as I show you. So I ordered this orange bikini and it comes with this adorable little cover up. It says vacation good life, but I just like thought this was so cute. And it's just a very bright orange, so it's like really summer, really trendy, and I'm excited to see how this looks. All right, and I also ordered a black bikini, but it came with the cutest cover up. So it's just a normal like triangle black bikini top and bottom with adjustable strings. And it came with this really cute like skirt. And these tie and adjust as well. And then a long sleeve top. So it all matches perfectly and I just think it's adorable. And in the spirit of just seeing something adorable on TEMU's website and having to get it for my boyfriend because I can't say no, I got him these. Aren't these so cute? Little rubber duckies. These are swim shorts, so I have no idea how they look on because he's actually traveling for work, but so cute. I cannot wait for him to try them on. Okay, and then I got this gorgeous slip dress. is so pretty. It's satin with rose detail on it. And I just love slip dresses. I sleep in them every single night and they're perfect just to wear around the house. Like, it's just comfortable and loungy, and I'm either like a sweatpants sweatshirt, like baggy sweatpants sweatshirt girl, or slip dress. Like, I'm not really in between. So I can never have enough of these, and I love this pattern. So adorable. My kitties are being crazy. So crazy. This is Mishka. Hello, Mishka. Hi. All right, and then next I have super cute hooded zip up. I love the light gray, especially like with the heathered look to it. And it has this blue text on it. Just so cute, very trendy, very like loungy, chill vibes. But I find myself grabbing like zip up hoodies when I go to the gym. So it's probably gonna be a go-to like gym fit for me. That's it for the clothes. So now let's look at the bags. Oh, I already know I love it. These little like puffer bags are my favorite. Like, I'm so glad these are in style because they are so cute. And I had to get a pink one. Pink is like my favorite color ever. I also love this size. Like, this is perfect. Such a great size. I like that it has dual handles, like longer handles and then like a shorter one to just grab. But inside, there are no compartments inside, but it's just like a straight shot down. So this is so cute, perfect for like books, like taking to like a little picnic or something. Put your little tripod in there and phone. Love this so much. Right, and then there's, oh, okay. Oh, this is so adorable. Love the bow detail. So this is just like a crochet tote. And I am obsessed with the pink. I'm obsessed with this like beige color. This is really, really cute. This is perfect for the beach, actually. Just a little grab and go, throw all of your goodies in here, and love this. Olive even loves it. She's the crazier one. They're both kind of crazy. Are you crazy? She's crazy. Okay, I'll let you go. Goodbye. You hear noises in the background? It's my kittens. Anyways, this is adorable. I'm actually like obsessed with this. It's like a very vintage vibes. I love this satin pink. It's almost like a peachy pink, but subtle peach, you know, so very light pink. Oh, it's very cute sequin detail. Adorable, looks really good with my nails. So cute. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, comes with a long strap, and this is the one I'm definitely gonna use probably, the short strap. So adorable. I'm gonna bring this everywhere. Oh my gosh, will it fit my phone? Let's see. Just perfectly. All right, no big deal. Perfect. Okay, awesome. I got one more purse. Excited about this one too because I don't have any purses in this color at all. White. You need a white purse. Like, I have like 4 black purses, 3 brown purses, 4 pink purses, or 5, like a lot of pink. And I have a red purse, a green purse. Like, I have purses, but I have a yellow purse. For some reason I don't have white, but I find myself like putting my outfits together and I'm just like, I need a white purse. Like, it'd go perfectly with this. So I'm glad I finally got one. And this design is so cute. I love the little like detail right here. It's like very asymmetrical. There's a little button enclosure. I like can't wait to wear this. I'm just gonna be like fighting between these two. Like, which one should I wear? I feel like they both go with similar outfits. Except I can just imagine like a jean forward outfit with this would look so cute. Yes. Okay, so moving on to home stuff. Okay, so I showed you guys the mirror. This I'm obsessed with. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it, but I think I wanna do a photo wall. And on the photo wall, I really like the idea of like an antique mirror, so I'll probably put it there eventually. But for now, I'll find a super cute place for it because like honestly, I feel like this will look good anywhere. And along with the theme of the vintage gold accents for my home, I did get these 2 picture frames. They're really like small and cute. I personally love them. I love that they're like different colors of gold. I feel like that'll complement like the photo wall or the areas of my house that I choose to put these. These are also somewhat for the photo wall, but like I have to put that together and it's gonna be a lot to figure out. I don't know why it's so intimidating to do a photo wall in my house, but for some reason I just like, I need to just take the plunge. But anyway, I could put these pretty much anywhere and I think they would look good. So I am stoked about these cute finds. And now, I love these. Okay. These are the cutest cups ever. So I got a 2-pack of these. I love them for like juice, and I mix my collagen in here and like vitamins. It's perfect for every morning, but it's just like the cutest size. And it's so aesthetic for any photos or videos. Like I do like coffee reels and things like that and recipe reels. And these just make everything look so much better. And then I also got a set of these 2 glasses. So these ones come in like different patterns and they're a little bit larger, but again, they're just so aesthetic and like so pretty. They make everything look so much better. So these are a must and they're like glass, so perfect. But again, way more affordable because TEMU has very affordable items. All right, so then I got this travel wash bag. It's super large, which was intentional because like I want something to put my full size products in, like full size skincare, full size hair care, things like that. Like this is the perfect size. And speaking of travel accessories, I also had to snag some packing cubes. So this comes with a variety of packing cubes. And what I really liked about it, comes with so many different types of bags. Okay, so now we have this steamer. I am in desperate need of a steamer. Like mine actually broke and I use it constantly, especially like since I'm filming all the time, I have to like steam clothes. So I got this new steamer. I can't wait to open it and see how it works. So perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go find a piece of clothing that's wrinkly, use this, and let you guys know how it works. Okay, so don't mind the water droplets because I literally just finished, but I kid you not, it works so well. But the thing that I'm most impressed with, it heated up in like 30 seconds. My old steamer took like probably at least 5 minutes to heat up. We got a new steamer that took like probably 15 minutes to heat up and then didn't even work very well. This one took 30 seconds, steamed immediately, like, oh, works so well. These little water spots will dry, but it's just like got all of the wrinkles out. It's like perfect. I just love when something you get that's affordable is also like, it works really well. It's super practical. It's something I'm gonna use all the time. So excited about that. Okay, now last category, I got some art prints. So excited to show you. This is also for my photo wall that I don't have yet, but want to have. All right, okay, so first up, I got this cute one that says yes, chef. And then this one, just like a little pink, colorful display. This is my favorite. I love this. Right? And then this one, oops. This is like very abstract, and I personally gravitate towards abstract art like more than anything. So I really like it. I love that it looks like a sketch, but it's still on this like canvas paper. But anyways, thank you so much TEMU for sponsoring this video. I absolutely loved this haul. Like, it's so cute. Like, especially the sunnies and the clothes, and like honestly, I've always had good things to say about TEMU. Like, I've had a great experience shopping from them. Like, I have so many videos on my social media about their products. Like, I have found amazing things, and this haul just shows like they have a lot of very good stuff on there. Like, this haul was so all over the place, like with travel, fashion, swimwear, handbags, accessories, home stuff, glassware. Like, it's just like so random and so many different categories, but everything I got was really, really cute. So I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything is linked in the description below, so be sure you check that out and follow me on my other social media platforms. I would love to see you there. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you so much again and have a wonderful day.